Pallet lifters from Tandemloc are designed and manufactured right here in the United States. There are many pallet lifters on the market that are not built to current ASME standards and are instead built to outdated ASME standards. Because Tandemloc values quality and safety, we make sure not to design and manufacture to old ASME standards. The AN17A pallet lifter is our lightweight pallet lifter with a sliding master link for dual lift points. The dual lift points allow the pallet lifter to be lifted with or without a load. Current designs of the AN17A pallet lifter are offered with working load limits of 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, or 6,000 pounds. For ease of movement, we offer the AN17W pallet lifter with wheels so that it can be rolled from location to location. Along with the wheels, the pallet lifter also has dual lift points for an empty and loaded lift. Current designs of the AN17W pallet lifter are offered with working load limits of 2,000, 3,000, or 4,000 pounds. Instead of having dual lift points, the AN18A has a counterweight for simple operations. This allows the pallet lifter to remain level with or without a loaded skid. We provide working load limits of 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, or 6,000 pounds for the AN18A model. All our pallet lifters are fully compliant with current ASME B30.20 safety standards and designed in accordance with ASME BTH1 2014. Beware of competitor models built to old standards. We also proof test each pallet lifter to 125% of the working load limit. Whether you need more capacity or different dimensions, we can customize a pallet lifter to fit your application. If you want more information about these products, you can visit our website at tandemloc.com. You can also reach us by emailing info@tandemloc.com or calling 1-800-258-7324.